Try give your mommy, hear me. I come the later, I say, come on, something for inside. What I will take to you? You know, go like me here. More for here. Hi. Zona. Yo, Abbas tell me, say just the room for the cafe inside the brass, no be so.
I want to go in the cafe.
I watch you. Instead of say you go learn, or just want the room, the brass. Me and the pay of school fees are full, eh? Turn up. Down, don't come. As she can't hear. Down, don't come. Turn up.
Hi, Prince Sam.
Hello,
Hi. Hi.
what can I find?
I'll go for Ghanaian dish. Wow. That's for me. Looking nice.
Yeah, sama kurma ne ake zo da kai ki haka ne.
Menene?
Ko fuskar. Ko baki. Charlie, you know, the client shop, you understand? This one, the big thing, the man daytown, in daytown. I used to go meet and take the money from her, I beg you. Solid business, I beg. Look, I'm really sorry for losing my hand on you. Please forgive me, please.
I did not hear.
Are you also? I want to show your body like that. Eh? Racket. Right?
يا لحظة. هلا محمد، كيف الحال؟ شو أخبارك؟ عساك طيب؟ كيف الأمور؟ كيف الجو عندكم تمام؟ يا هلا بيك، حيك والله من زمان. عموما أنا وصلت الحين غانا والجو صراحة سكسي على قولتنا والأمور طيبة وحصلنا الأمور مال والله تمام، البروبرتيز وايد تمام وكل شيء أوكي يعني. بس إن شاء الله المرة الجاية تكون معانا في الموضوع. عموما بنتواصل احنا وياك ونرتب كيف الأمور. أوكي؟ يلا أشوفك على خير. الأمور طيبة يعني. اوكي. المهم ان شاء الله بعد كم يوم انا برجع وان شاء الله خير ونتواصل.
Just go see the person, make the person talk, they show your body. Back here. Back here. Back here. No, I'm going to keep on. Back here. Back here.
Jamila, where are you? I was trying to text you and call you, don't get you. Are you okay?
I'm sorry. I was running some errands for my mother.
Oh, sorry to hear that. If she's been treating good in hospital?
Fine, thanks. Where?
I already texted her where I am.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, dear.
Okay.
Alright, I'm waiting for you then.
It's not right. It's a taboo to see a man naked on the first meeting.
In heaven?
In our tradition.
Come on, baby. Finally we meet. Some dreaming over.
Yes. It feels like a dream.
But you know what? You look so beautiful in your pictures. See?
I don't understand.
I need to understand. You just keep smiling. Keep smiling. See? Oh, keep smiling. More. You look more beautiful with a smile.
Pachama Johnson. Toilet.
All right, toilet. This way. You can use it.
Okay, thank you.
Which one?
That.
This? No. Not that one. I like this, but it's the main picture. I really love it. You know why? I like the way it dress up. And the golden with black is amazing. Especially the lipstick also red and black and golden. It's like you are saying to the people, okay, take my picture like I don't know. But really, this is amazing. The haircut is amazing. It's new style. That is making like more touch. And comes the makeup, it's really nice, especially the haircut. This is love. These pictures really make me like I have to go and meet that person.
Please.
Serious. This is really. See this one? It's like the curly hair plus the lipstick and the color of you. This one also nice. This is more hot with the long hair. More hot, you know what I mean? More hot. You look good, sexy with the long hair, with the dress, especially red and gold. It's amazing. And this is what? Michael Kors as well.
This won't work.
Wow. Don't so want to see the KGI. Can come in one now. Report.
We talked and talked and talked.
Why you be radio?
Internet.
Did he like you?
That's the reason he's here. Of course, he likes me.
So how much did he give you?
Nothing.
During monkey KGI. Why you fuck up so? Why you think I send you to say go dance Akaida?
First time, I was shy.
Banky shy. Monkey shy. Be one by banky shy. Why say you fool like that? Small business go handle, you go there talk say you shy. You don't know anything, your head die, Small business you go there fuck up like that. Just go take money, say you shy. You dey shy for life inside, you paint your face, say you shy. You don't know anything, your head die for life inside, you never delay anything for life inside. Small business, you say you shy. Small business go carry money, can they say you shy. You wear everything.
شو اخبارك؟ شو مسوي؟ كيف الجو؟ كيف الامور؟ ان شاء الله طيبة. اقول لك تتذكر البنت اللي خبرتك عنها اللي في غانا؟ اقول لك شفتها هي صورة صراحة يعني حبيتها. والله طيب ما بغير. طرف على قولتهم طرف. ان شاء الله. عموما انا احب اخليك وياها على الخط وطمني عليك بكل شيء والامور والامور وعسى خير ان شاء الله. وانا بكون الموت. زين فانا بكلمك عشان انا خلصت بكلمك. والله see you. Bye. So, wasn't cold. How are you?
Fine, thank
How was your day?
you. Great.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. So you're ready to see my favorite color, black and gold. Look nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
And still I'm telling you, you have a nice smile. Keep it up, always. Keep smiling. Nice. So what's up? I'm not saying something, huh?
Fine.
He thinking something else, yeah?
It's nice.
That's nice.
Yes.
What do you mean by nice? Wow, I like the position. Not that position you think.
We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be. We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be.
Damn!
He gave me no space today.
Did he follow you to the bathroom?
He's a good man.
Charlie Megachi, Casson, Anna, Kiana, Argo. Charlie Klein drop. Hey, I make home girl go to pick the move. She started fuck up. I don't give them. I know send them she dey go there. She know they give me filler. She know they give me any info. I don't give them. Now do want to man people. I know see the chatting level that we they do them for night. But she go there, the things she they talk, then the things they do me. I don't know. She know they give me any filler. Yeah, well you know say I love the girl, so I don't want to do anything where say I will fuck her. I understand. Yeah. The money I should see the man they give her. I'm about to put in the man they give her the money, but let's say they give her like 100 grand, she can give me 50% and take the rest. And that's the level she take me go. That's why me I the watch. I do banta. Now do one cool. Yeah, tobacco. Yeah, you finish, I will touch you, hear me?
Human, we make mistakes. I'm human, better do what it takes.
Jamila, say something. Make me understand what's going on.
It's not real.
What's not real? Come on, I'm here. What's not real? I'm here for you. I'm real. What's going on? Tell me, Jamila. What's not real?
Everything.
Everything in what? Tell me.
You just don't understand.
So make me understand then. Make me understand.
It's complicated.
Then make it easier, baby. If there's any problem, I can solve it for you. Promise. I'm here for you. I just came for you. So I'm in love with you. Jamila, come here. Jamila, come. Jamila.
Go take your money, can we could blow her. Bracket to go there. I don't know what she could do. She comes to us, she didn't give me any info. She just, they can't watch my face. Then she will give me some 2-line story. Say what? I know. Say the man is a good man and what? Ciao. I'll be back. Must I not to show that guy, man? Oh no. I want to say the business. I want to finish the business. My get money. Yeah. My get money. Nice one. We'll come up for there. You know brief am before you go. I brief am minute, but she can't do it. She know the 10 minutes. You know say right here too. I like him back. I used to watch the two of them. The right right time I will feel you in. Yeah. You know them they are there for you. The game and the discipline for the game because I know the people. Now what time you have homework? Now what time you have homework? I don't want to touch the man. I don't want to do anything to the man. But say, I used to watch the two of them. You understand? Take the money away. Come and have my plan. Be back. Remember that day for you, my brother. You know, anytime, challenge.
Farouk, moi know the house. Farouk, moi know the house. Farouk, I talk to you. Charlie, what's up?
up in the air, the sky not the limit. What you see over there, the kiss that you give me. I want my side bend, you gotta use the candlelight. I wanna be your man, let's take a trip to Sunderland. I want my side bend, you gotta use the candlelight. I wanna be your man, let's take a trip to Sunderland.
I cannot do this anymore.
Yes, you will.
No, I won't.
Are you talking to me?
I am not your slave. You don't care about me. You don't care about what happens to me out there. All you care about is your...
ما في شيء واقع ما في ريال ما اعرف شو يعني ما في شيء حقيقي ما اعرف لحظة شوي خلاص شوي بتصدق
Love. It's beautiful, you know?
It's
Yep.
Love me to music.
Yep.
Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And when you find that special someone, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. You feel like you're on top of the world, and you're flying so high without wings. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. beautiful, beautiful. When you're in love, you get the strength to fight it all, fight it all. And when you're in love, you always feel brand new, brand new, brand new, beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
They chop with them, they feed themselves.
Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Hello? Excuse me.
I'm so happy and glad to be here just for you. And I've been with you like really something I can't even imagine. Seriously. So I'd like to say one thing. I can't leave back home without you. So, would you marry me?
Yes, I will. I will.
Your name is Prince Sam, right? We met on iWeDate.com 2013 on the 24th of October. 3 years after we started talking, I charged you $6,000, which you sent because I told you my mom was at a hospital. 3 months after that, you sent me another $5,000 because I told you I need to go to school and I needed some stuff. A week after I charged you $5,000, you said you didn't have because the country in which you were, that was Singapore. You couldn't access your account. But you went back to Bali and you sent me $10,000. After that, I charged you another $15,000 again to take care of some stuff in school and you sent me. 2 weeks after you called me that you're coming to Ghana and I told you you're welcome. A week after you called me, you're in town, you were expecting to see me, but you saw this bitch. You are my mogul. I've been talking to you. But this bitch right here wants to have everything to herself.
It's true. But it's not a game to me anymore. My heart has taken over. I'm in love with you. I'm still the Jamila you know.
Come back here. Her name is Rakia too.
Human, we make mistakes. I'm human, better do what it takes. Better my life, day by day. I plan the game and I fight each day. They call me untouchable, unstoppable, but inside I'm so humble. I might look tough, but inside I am so soft. So take me as I am and never let me go. I'll take you for who you are, and I'll never let you go. Can't judge a book by its cover. I'm not perfect, but I'm a good lover. My heart's so pure and I'm so clear-minded. Just trying to be on the safe side, and I need you on my side, on my side. So please understand and give me your hand, and I promise you it will be just me and you. So take me as I am and never let me go. I'll take you for who you are, and I'll never let you go.